If you tell yourself it's going to take 10 years, it'll take 10 years. If you tell yourself it'll take 3 years, it'll take 3 years. When you're kind of put into a corner and you're kind of forced to rise to the level of delivery, you do it by default because when stakes are high, you kind of rise to the occasion. So, what if you raise the stakes, for lack of better words, into your current experiments and you moved up that timeline?
Who's this? Oh, you're an entrepreneur? Oh, you're a real estate investor. Oh, you're trying to learn from those who did it. Well, come into the lab then. Put your white coat on, gloves on, notepad, and let's build, y'all.
Experiment Nation, your host, Ruben Kanya here, checking into the lab for another insightful framework paradigm shift. I'm a believer of sharing paradigm shifts when I come across them because that is the whole point of this community that I've built by by being inquisitive, being curious, and at the same time continuing to experiment new experiments that can propel us forward. As you guys probably know, if you're listening to this, well, we have multiple entrepreneurs come into our lab, multiple real estate investors, regardless of the vertical. There's always a mindset component to it. That's why I always try to get to know the individual behind the experiments first, because it tells me a lot about what they've been able to accomplish in their lab. By lab, I mean their success, or I mean their playground where they play, where they do business, whether they're short-term rental or private equity or uh, facilities, storage, um, assisted living, you name it. Uh, there's a mindset component that takes place. And so, what I want to bring to the lab is um, a concept that came from this gentleman. You probably know this book, Who Not How. I was raving about it before, and I still am to this day. Then there was 10x is easier than 2x. And recently I just finished two of his audibles, The Science of Scaling by Benjamin Hardy and Time is a Tool, which is a fast follower of essentially a podcast slash interview of people who have turned their 10x goal or their 10-year goal into a 3-year framework. And what I find fascinating about that is I think it goes back to the old saying that you can um, overestimate what you can accomplish in a year, but certainly underestimate what you can do in 10. And with that comes with the topic of, you know, it's like, is it not, um, which law is this? Parkinson's law, right? So work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. If you tell yourself it's going to take 10 years, it'll take 10 years. If you tell yourself it'll take 3 years, it'll take 3 years. It's actually no different than when we were back in school and we used to, I didn't used to do this because I'm not a crammer. And I'm not saying that because I'm like elite. I was just not the type of person who could cram last minute. I would actually always start ahead of time, probably because I needed more time than all the others, and I did well, but I needed to always had to earn my stripes. I couldn't pull up all nighter and then ace it or start a paper the night before it's due. But quite frankly, there's a lot of students who are able to accomplish that because when the when you're kind of put into a corner and you're kind of forced to rise to the level of delivery, you do it by default because when stakes are high, you kind of rise to the occasion. So what if you raise the stakes, for lack of better words, into your current experiments and you moved up that timeline? To me, that is a paradigm shift, right? So whatever you think it's going to take, we're actually usually poor um estimators, for lack of a better word. um uh we are we are often time is so arbitrary. We just come up with these numbers like 5 years, 10 years, 2 years, next year, 2x, 10x. Like we're just bad at estimating in general. So we have to question, how do we come up with this timeline? Experiment Nation, you've heard me talk about how multiple investors across the nation are landing these lucrative midterm rental insurance contracts by making these small tweaks on the branding and marketing side, especially if you're an existing short-term rental operator. There is a quick and easy shift that you can make with the right guide in place. And because we've launched a 2-day boot camp that not everyone could attend in real time, I've put together a recording where you can get all the materials and all the guides to focus on rebranding either your short-term rental business or your current midterm rental business, so that you can actually have the insurance companies reach out to you. And then day 2 is, if you want to actually play offense, how you can reach out to them by listing on the right platforms, etc. If you're looking to get this MTR bootcamp so that you can start optimizing and you can start receiving these lucrative contracts that again provide less headaches, less turnovers, unlike the Airbnb space, you can start receiving inquiries today by having the right guide in place. So please go to experimentrealestate.com/MTR bootcamp or click the link in the bio to make sure you get your hands on the midterm rental insurance bootcamp to fast track your way into landing these lucrative insurance contracts the exact same ways multiple investors have taken advantage of this unknown and untapped niche within the midterm rental umbrella. And Dr. Benjamin Hardy in this book, in the science of scaling and the time as a tool, challenges many seasoned entrepreneurs, even ones who are saying, we're at 100 million. I think it'll take us 10 years to get to a billion. Question is why? What would need to be true, right? You can ask regardless where you are, whether it's your first $100 to your thousand, making $100 a door, to $1,000 in profit, to $10,000 to $100,000. All you have to ask yourself is this, and it takes the pressure off of the original question of like 10x. That's too overwhelming, right? But what if we actually just reframe the question and said, okay, you're an intellectual person. That's why you're listening to this show, right? You're here to seek knowledge. You're here to get insights. You're here to get inspired. You're here to have your hopefully your mind shifted, have a paradigm shift. What if you just ask yourself, okay, if in fact I did need to reach my goal that I'm giving myself 10 years to accomplish, and I only had 3 years to do it, right? Or even like a 12-month goal into a 3-month goal, what would actually need to happen? Like, remove all the pressure. What could be some viable ways we could get there faster? That takes the pressure off of you and makes you kind of zoom out and subjectively give advice without or I should say objectively give you advice without being subjective about it, because it's almost like, when we give our friends the best advice, and you're kind of like, hey, I should be giving myself that own advice. It's almost like that, right? I think when you're into the weed and you say, okay, I have all this pressure to 2x my business, let alone 10x or my career, it's too much pressure. But if you said, hey, okay, bird's eye view, if I did in fact want to accelerate this goal, what could be some avenues that I could explore? What avenues could we explore? Like, write it on a sheet of paper. I literally did this last night. And I was blown away as to what I could come up with, because there was no pressure. It was just like, if I was consulting a friend, you know, what would you tell yourself? Well, what could be some avenues you could explore? Don't ask yourself how, right? Um, it's who, not how. So we know that, right? That's the book, Who Not How. So then if it's who, not how, let's just define the what. What could be some avenues we could explore? And then you'll find the right who. And then you'll find the super who's, and the super who's will have the right who's as well. So let that be the thing that defines and changes the trajectory of where you can actually land as a entrepreneur, as a go-getter. Just move the timeline, condense it, shrink it, and without adding pressure, but just reframing. Because I promise you, when you do that exercise, whatever it is that you're currently doing is probably not the path. And what I love about 10x is easier than 2x, it talks about there are a few pathways to get to 10x, right? But there are multiple pathways to get to 2x. And usually the multiple pathways is what freezes us, it's what freezes you from being able to execute, because there's just so many ways to get there. But when you have that big goal, audacious goal, there's usually only a few ways to get there. So the question is, how fast or how much are you going to move your timeline by? And when you do that, what changes? Right? Change your paradigm, change your life, change your paradigm, change your outcome, change your life, change your goals, change your inputs. Everything changes when you start over here. So I would check out the book, have a listen at it, but more importantly, take that action, take the time. Even if it's 5 minutes, you'll see you'll fall in love with the process. Might seem daunting at first, and actually it's not, because there's no pressure. It's just like, hey, damn if I do, damn if I don't. But what could be some avenues I could explore if I in fact wanted to get to my end goal in 3 years versus 10 years, or in 3 months versus 12? Condense the timeline, change the timeline, move it up. Time is a tool. Question is, will you use it efficiently? I know we will. Come and join us. Stay thirsty, my friends. Stay ambitious and stay open minded to new paradigms, because when you change them, your life will change as well. Cheers. Experimentation. I believe there are two critical components that will help you achieve your goals very quickly and succeed. Number one, it's information like this that you received on a show, in an episode, and content that you can find on my YouTube channel or anybody's channel. And then there's a community. And the way we've been able to expedite our process, the way people in our community, people that we consult, mastermind members, whoever, they get the information on an episode like this, but then they also have a support, whether it's me guiding them or being guided through a community. There is an opportunity for you listening to be able to expedite your process, or even expedite your results that you're seeking by being in part of the community. If that is what you're interested in, we at Experiment Nation happen to have a community devoted to helping maximize your occupancy and your profitability altogether, regardless of which market that you are in. And for that reason, you have an opportunity where you can go to experimentrealestate.com/submit if you're looking to work in an environment that can help you prosper faster. Call out any areas that you might not be familiar in, especially the blind spots. That's where a guide comes in hand, and I would be a pleasure and honored to be your guide. But in order to make sure you're a good fit, make sure you go to experimentrealestate.com/submit so that my team can go ahead and take it and see if you're a good fit to join the mastermind and the multiple programs that we have. In addition to that, I'm also now a YouTube partner, which means that I want to give you more access to information, more access to Q&As, more access to the questions that actually come out of our mastermind that help people expedite the process. We've seen people get anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000 to $6,000 to even $7,000 a month net on just one door by applying the strategies that we use by working with corporations and furnished accommodation in a very strategic way. So if you're interested, make sure you also subscribe, because I'm going to have different tiers that's on YouTube now that we've become YouTube partner, to continue to be the bridge to your success in your lab. And your lab means your life, your goals, or wherever you're trying to head. So make sure you also hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/real estate experiment. We'll be there. You can also look us up at Midterm Rental Insurance Experiment. We will be there. Make sure you hit the subscribe, because that's when you'll know the tiers that are available to you that make sense for you, your marketplace, for your results. Remember, you're only one experiment away. Let's build.